Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to change AutoCAD units. In that, it is a very some simple command. You just have to press UN and just press enter, and you will get this dialog box. And in this, first you have to change is this units, the main units of the inserted content. So they have a lot of options of feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, micro inches, anything. The mostly used for architecture is that we use millimeters, and the thing of this should be architectural because it may be point something. So just change these two things and press OK and OK, and your files units will be changed. It is that simple. And you, if you want to get back your change units, then just again press U and enter, and again decimal, and go to wherever it was and just press enter. That's it. That was it for the video. That's how you change AutoCAD units. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.